Your customers may be logging into your B2B portal with a single point of contact, for example, their procurement manager. However, you can now extend this to multiple contacts within the single customer record. So let's walk through how to set this up together. We're going to start with inside of Unleashed. First, I'm going to review a customer record that I know has been synced with our B2B portal. Looking at my customer record and going into my Contacts tab, I can see there's multiple contacts inside of this customer record. At the moment, my primary contact, John Smith, is in our B2B portal and is purchasing from us and submitting orders. However, I want Mary and Dee to have access to the B2B portal and submit orders as well. Each of the contacts I wish to allow into my B2B portal, I'm going to select the record and then select the ordering checkbox. Once you've done this, please remember to save the customer's record. Once saved, the contacts that you've selected as the ordering contacts will be sent across into our B2B portal. Nothing further is needed inside of Unleashed. Now in this second step, we need to go into our B2B portal as our administrator. We then select our customers from the main menu. From here, we will see our customers' records and also the contacts within this. Looking at the customer we were editing before, I can see I've got a number of inactive users. I can select the inactive pill, and this will show me a list of the contacts that are available and what their status is. At the moment, everybody's inactive. From here, I can choose to send out invitations user by user, or I can use the action cog on the left-hand side to bulk send out invitations. In this example, let me send an invitation to just one of the users so far. So I'm going to select Send Invitation and close out of this. Now I can see against my customer record my inactive users and my pending invitations. Again, by selecting the pills for the status, I can see what users are in each of the statuses as they're processed. As we've seen, we can manage the contacts by the statuses of their invitation. We can also use the Action drop-down on the right-hand side and select Manage Contacts. Within here, I can see a list of all of the contacts that have been added into our B2B portal. Remembering, these are the ones in Unleashed that are set up as the ordering status. From here, I can see their email addresses, contact name, the status of their invitation, and I can also move them on and action them. For example, I can deactivate an account, resend an invitation, cancel an invitation, and so forth. Again, this can be done as bulk, using the action cogs on the left-hand side. From your customer's point of view, they will get the invitation email, accept it into your B2B portal, they'll log in and see all the right products, prices, and so forth that are set up on the customer's record. Please note, this isn't at the contacts level, but at the customer's level. As the orders are placed in your B2B portal, I can see underneath the order history a list of the orders and the contacts that have placed each of those orders. I can see that as an administrator of the B2B portal, and your customer will be able to see that in their own history. The contacts also come into place when we're acting as a customer. So let me go and act as a customer and place an order. As I place the order, I get to decide the contact I'm placing the order on behalf of. Once the order has been placed, and you can see it inside of your Unleashed account, you'll be able to see the contact that has placed the order in the delivery instructions. For example, this is the order that we placed on behalf of the customer just a few moments ago. Hopefully this video has helped in setting up multiple contacts so you can feel the full power of the B2B portal. Thank you for watching.